guys, today we're going to Mexico, Pampanga. It's about 10 kilometers from the Angeles city. Shaira?
Hi.
Shaira won't sleep. Sleepy right now.
Slippery.
Slippery? Slippery, it's like a...
Like you fall down. Like
yes.
slippery.
Sleepy.
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 That's slippery.
Yes.
Ay, nako.
What is Ainako? I don't understand.
I like its expression.
Okay.
Like in already.
Okay. Oh, traffic. Traffic in the
It's just
gate. It's okay.
because it's already
Ah,
3:45.
Yeah, 3:45 right now.
So it's traffic.
The 5 p.m. more traffic.
That's why better.
So guys, we go to only take a look in Mexico, center of Mexico, Pampanga, because some of subscribers asking about show another place, not only Angeles, because Angeles in Angeles so many videos from so another bloggers. That's why we going to Mexico, Pampanga. It's very close. We already been many times, but we use motor. We've been everywhere in Pampanga, and not only in Pampanga, but we not take video because our YouTube channel is only 1 year and 6 months maybe. I start take video from my camera only last November. Last November? No, not last November. 1 year and 6 months maybe. Before I cannot talk in my video. I know my English is not so good, but it's okay. Who want to watch me or who want to watch Shaira, it's okay. Who don't like, not need to subscribe. Yes, Shaira?
And also I saw some comment from our video. He said like you need to go to lesson English, English
Yeah, no.
lesson.
Yes, he said courses, English courses, like I will study English. Guys, but if I have time, I want also study English because my study Chinese language. That's why. But I need to work. It's my business. I need to do all time with my business. For how I live in the Philippines without money. Because YouTube, you think maybe YouTube? No, from YouTube. Last month I have maybe $800 because I've been in the Thailand, so many video. This month maybe $400. Before months also about $500. It depends of how many video. All my video from the walking street don't have money, but most of the video from walking street. That's why my channel is like hobby. It's not for money. If I want my video, my YouTube channel, if I want only for money, I not show to you walking street. I will only take video Shaira, how she swim, how she, for example, do exercise. Yes, in this video have so many views and for monetization. But guys, I take video only about our life together with Shaira, where we go and what happened with us. It's not for money. Yes, Shaira?
And also I want to say about that subscriber, one subscriber who said that you need go to lesson, right? Better he go to
also lesson.
lesson. Her attitude, he need to change. He need to learn more like polite people like this, and also you need to be not a racist. They call it racist if you say it like that to people like, oh, you don't know how to speak in English, you need to proper lesson to English, so you're racist and you know how to discriminate people.
We already turning to Mexico. This is Mexico, Barangay Camuning, like communist.
Yes, it's Camuning. So you know how to read Tagalog word, but they said you don't know how. So I hate someone who
Shaira, hold
discriminates.
camera because I need to drive. This is turn right now, yes?
Yes, turn right.
Okay.
And be straight until.
Yes, all the way straight. This is like a village. It's like village.
That's village.
Before we drive here in a motor. Not only this. This all street like this. Not interesting. So we can continue talking and take video later. Yes, Shaira?
Yes, we're gonna talk about and again from.
Okay, okay, we can walk in Mexico, Pampanga, and Shaira will talk. I will give microphone. Oh, not good road. Not good road here. So guys need to take a look road. Not need.
Always bigger.
Yes, because if you not use this road always, you need to know. You need to slowly drive.
Here.
Mhm.
Slowly.
What? Don't worry, Shaira. With a small car. It's guys, guys. I first time it's my small car. I always before use Lexus or Land Cruiser. Maybe you know this car. In the Philippines, I bought first my car in the Philippines, Honda CR-V. Honda CR-V. Next my car is Nissan X-Trail. Yes, Nissan X-Trail. That's why it's already smallest car. But yes, for Shaira also small. Shaira.
I know.
For us it's okay. But I also not big. That's why for us it's car is okay. I don't like sedan car because I always before use like SUV. But it's mini SUV. It's enough for me and for Shaira. This is 7 seats. But I remove from the seats in the back. I remove 2 seats back side of seats because we don't use so many people. I will show someday. I will show about my car. What I always take, and it's another video. Okay, I will switch off. Oh guys, road here it's not good. Off-road, off-road. Off-road. Shaira eat now. Oh, dust, people need use face mask because dust. Not good really. Maybe they will fix soon, I don't know.
Maybe have Fiesta here.
Fiesta, it's not Fiesta, it's before from
they
they remove now wires.
They not remove, they put.
No, they remove from before, you remember? Festival before. Of course it's not good if dust. But in the map, this is road, it's one way. I don't know why they use 2 way. Yes, it's already good road. Guys, we are parking near church. Monica Parish Church. I don't know. Shaira will say now what name of church. Shaira, what name of church?
It's Santa Monica.
Santa Monica? Only Santa
Paris.
Monica? Parish.
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 Can we little bit? I will take video a little bit. Santa Monica Lane Formation Center. Very happy lane. Santa Monica Parish. Here have parking because I don't know where parking. In front I see this is Pure Gold We now in the center of Mexico. Mexico City. It's not country, it's city, Mexico City. Time now 4:20. Oh, 4:15. Hello. Good afternoon. This is market. This is people market. Shaira, this is people market in Mexico.
Bayad lang po kaya kay nanay.
Curious, how much manga? Shaira, can ask how much manga? We can buy later. How much? Ah, this is 100. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And this?
This one 140, 130 per
One,
kilo.
depend of. Okay, later.
Yes.
Thank you. Price little bit same. It depends of quality of mango you can buy. Municipality of Mexico. It's all continue market. Melon also. Melon, watermelon. Shaira, ask how much melon, how much watermelon.
Magkano kin?
Ilan?
Magkano kin?
Watermelon?
No, we want to ask how
Ay,
much.
very sweet.
Later.
50 sa kilo.
51 kilo.
1 kilo 50.
Okay, and this
Oh.
melon how much?
Melon 70.
Melon
Oh,
70.
very sweet.
Where is okay? Later we can look first.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Wala.
Shara, what you say? Because I not understand little bit. United, what United?
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Oh, United Kingdom of Philippines. Yes. Primark Town Center. Yamaha, also Yamaha. Take a look, Yamaha motor. Aerox, we have same Aerox. This is already new model. We have same color. Yeah, same color. ABS. For me comfortable maybe X Max. I don't know X Max. This is N Max. N Max also good. This is Aerox. So good color. Yeah, very good color. I like this color. Guys, thank you for watching. This is few video from our travel to the Mexico Pampanga. Sorry, maybe quality video is not so good. It's we show only our life, where we go. What Shaira need to say?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
You open the door.
Yes, open already. You open the door. They say he will open.
Magbalik kayo, punta ka.
He said open the door.
Dami ka nyo kayo.
Wala yung ano, Maria? Mario?
He's joking.
I always joke.
Yeah.
Better joke.